Join Forum IAS Academy, trusted by thousands of toppers since last 12 years, including IAS Rank 1 Anudeep Durishetty, Shruti Sharma, and Ishita Kishore.
Hello and welcome to the Forum Review, an initiative by Forum IAS. Today's topic for discussion is going to be Nalanda University, which has been in news as the new campus was recently inaugurated by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji in Bihar. It was in 2006 when the former President APJ Abdul Kalam ji for the first time mooted the idea of reviving the grandeur of the ancient Nalanda University. Following this, the Nalanda University Act was passed by both the houses of the parliament in 2010. With an allocation of nearly Rs 2700 crore, the construction of the university began in 2014. 450 acres piece of land was chosen as the base of the Rajgir Hills to develop the net zero green campus of the Mahavihar. The flagship project of the Ministry of External Affairs was a joint collaboration with the East Asia Summit. The university was first established in the 5th AD during the Gupta rule and reached its peak during the reign of Pala rulers, who also established universities like Udantapuri and Vikramshila. The name of the Mahavihar, that is Nalanda, literally means giver of the lotus stalks, where Nala represents the lotus stalks. It is symbolic of continuous flow of education and knowledge. Interestingly, the Mahayana literature of the Lotus Sutra and Prajna Paramita can find its genesis from the Gridhakuta peak or the Vulture's peak, from where sermons were delivered by the scholars. Important subjects taught at the Nalanda University include Buddhist philosophies of the Mahayana school like Madhyamak, Yogacara, Sarvastivada, etc. Vedas, astronomy, mathematics, alchemy, grammar, medicine, and logic were also taught here. The university played a key role in the development of Mahayana and Vajrayana branches of Buddhism. Literary works like Bodhisattvacharya Avatar by Shanti Deva, Mahavairochana Tantra by Subhakar Simha, etc. were composed here. Indian mathematician who gave the concept of Sunya or zero to this world, Aryabhat, was one of the resident scholars of the university. Buddhist masters like Dharmapal, Silabhadra also mentored and guided the students. Studying at Nalanda was not easy. Students had to face multiple rounds of interviews to get admission into the Mahavihar, and once selected, they had to follow a strict code of conduct that included daily meditation and study sessions. The first residential university of the world was home to at least 10,000 students and 2,000 great scholars who came from far-flung regions like China, Korea, Japan, Tibet, Mongolia, Sri Lanka, and Southeast Asia. It set standards for inclusive education and meritocracy. Apart from this, the Mahavihar was also home to at least 9 million handwritten manuscripts on palm leaves, also known as Dharma Gunj or the Mountain of Truth. The manuscripts were stored in a 9-story building named Ratnodadi. Travelers like Huinsang and Itsing offer valuable insights about architecture, literature, and the overall grandeur of the Mahavihar. In 1193 AD, the university was destroyed by the Turkish ruler Kutubuddin Aybak's general Bakhtiyar Khilji. Later on, in 1812 AD, the university was identified for the first time by Scottish scholar Francis Hamilton. In 1861 AD, Alexander Cunningham identified it as an ancient university. If you like this analysis, stay tuned to Forum IS and hit the bell icon to get notified on the next update. Thank you.